Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to allow story sharing on the Instagram application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the profile section at the lower right corner of the screen and click to the three lines at the upper right corner. Tap to the settings and privacy option, and in the how others can interact with you section you can find the sharing and remixes section. You can find the allow story sharing in messages option, and if you want to enable, just click to the next white circle and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.